Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a signature on email on Outlook using a Mac computer, the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. What we can now do is go to the top right corner, click on settings, the cogwheel, go to account, signatures. We can either click on the top right corner, add signature, or go to the bottom, no signature yet, create your first signature. Click on this. Let's now add a signature name. Let's just say admin. Go within the body of the signature. Let's now insert a picture. Let's go directly to documents. My YouTube channel, YouTube icon, let's take that, open. We want to decrease the size of the image itself. Kind regards. Admin. We can set default for new messages as well as set default for replies and forwards. Let's now click on save. And that itself has now been added and updated, so we can now click on the X. Let's now go to new email. Let's now increase the size of the email window, and then we can see that we have our signature ready to be used as part of the email. So let's now select the recipient, which is Rehan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Add a subject, let's just say signature. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the signature below. Kind regards, admin, and an image for CSV. So we can now click on send. Let's now go to send items, and there we have it. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see my signature below. Kind regards, admin, and the image that is part of the signature. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.